Hi there, this is Laura. Today I'm going to show you how to link between content slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. I've already created the slides I'm interested in. Slides 3, 4, and 5 are hidden from view, which means in presentation mode the user won't be able to see it or advance through those slides at the moment because there are no transitions available there. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to click on an Easter egg to select the egg that I want to link to slide 3, which has the matching egg. I went ahead and put the matching egg on the different slides so that I can easily tell them apart when I go to link them. You can delete it later, but it's just a nice, easy trick for when you're doing these linkings because they can get complicated. So I right-clicked, and what I need to do is hit link. Don't hit this because this is not very helpful to you. You just want to hit the link in general. And now you see we have this dialog box that's appeared. I'm interested in a place in this document, specifically slide 3, and I make sure it's slide 3 because I've got the right egg appearing on the slide. Hit OK, and then you're done. Do it again, right-click, link, slide 4 in this instance. 4 is the green egg, matches, all good. Same thing, right-click, slide 5, OK. Now, one interesting feature that you might want to include is a way to get back home because these slides are hidden, the user can't get back to where they started or otherwise they just end the presentation where they are. So to avoid this, you can do the same procedure, right-click on link. This time you're going to say you want to go to the main slide 2. And the nice thing about this is if you Control-C, copy it, and paste it on the other slides, you have saved yourself some trouble because it's already going to go back to slide 2. So that's a nice little time saver. I hope that helps. Bye.